Hi friends, today we're going to do Module 4, Lesson 26, Objective, Model decompositions of 9 using fingers, linking cubes, and number bonds. So make sure you have your fingers, your linking cubes, and your number bond in front of you, or you can draw one using paper, pencil, expo marker, or whiteboard. Let's get started. All right, today we're going to play Race to 5 addition game. I'm going to roll the dice and we will add them together to figure out how many more to get to 5. All right, so the number is 2. How many more do we need to add to make 5? Good. 2 and 3 makes 5. Good job, friends. 5. How many more do we need to add? 0. Great job. 1 and what other number makes 5? 1 and 4. Great job. 1 and 4 makes 5. And 2 and 3. Great job, friends. You can play that game at home. Roll the dice and try to get to 5. All right, let's figure out how many dots on my map. I got 9. Did you get 9? Great job. Let's take apart our 9 by drawing some lines. So here we go. I've got how many on this side? 3. How many on this side? 6. Good job. How many did we say we had all together? 9. Great job. 3 and 6 makes 9. Good job. Let's do another one. Let me clear my board. All right. How many inside the box? 4. How many outside of the box? 5. 4 and 5 makes 9. Well done, friends. All right, let's take a look. It is laundry day at my house. I have some green socks and some blue socks. Let's fill in my number bond to match my socks. So let's get my green marker out. How many green socks do I have? 2. Good. How many blue socks do I have? 7. Great job. How many do I have all together? 9. Great job, friends. Let's write a number sentence to match this story. 2 plus, good job, 7 equals 9. Well done. So this is how you can represent your math work with a number bond, with a number sentence, and a drawing. Let's keep up the great work. All right, today for your vocabulary warm-ups, we're going to do number pairs to 9 and number pairs to 10. Make sure you watch those videos through the links so that you can participate. All right, Elijah had 9 blocks. If you want to get out your blocks now, go ahead and pause the video and get your blocks up. You need 9. Good. If you don't have blocks, that's okay. Let's use your fingers. Hold up 9 fingers. Good. 5 of his blocks were blue. So that's one part of our story. So we're going to add that into the part of our number bond. 5, here I'll make it blue so we remember. 5 of his blocks were blue. Remember, altogether he had 9. If 5 of them were blue, how many must be yellow? Good, 4. And I have it here too in my box. 5 were blue and 4 were yellow. And how many blocks did he have all together? 9. Great job. All right, so now we've got our linking cubes or our fingers, and we're going to break it down into the number pairs for 9. So all together, we're always going to have the number 9. Okay, and we're going to break 9 into different number pairs. What's one way that you can break your number cubes into different parts for our number bond? Oh, I like that idea. Let's start by taking away 1. So how many in this tall tower over here? 8. And how many over here? 1. Good. 8. Go ahead and show me 8 fingers. And 1 more makes 9. Good. Let's keep breaking off 1 at a time. So down here we have our 8. We have 8 in the tower right now, but if we take away 1, so 8 fingers, take away 1 is 7. Good. So we know 8 take away 1 is 7. 7, and how many more to make 9? How many in this part? 2. Great job. All right, let's do that again. Let's break off 1 more and change your number bond to match what we have with our linking cube parts. Good. So how many in this tower? 6. How many in this tower? 3. Well done, friends. All right, let's take a look at some of our work and match our number sticks to our number bond. So our linking cubes to our number bond. Let's start with the first one. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 gray, and the other part is 2 white. So 7, I'm looking for the number 7 and 2 in the parts number bond. Oh, you're right. It's right at the top. Great job. All right, let's number these, or we'll label them with letters so you can help me out at home. So we've got number bond A, number bond B, and number bond C. Good job. All right, let's try the next one. And you tell me, do you think it's number bond A? Should I draw a line right here? Is it number bond B, or is it number bond C? Let's look at the parts. How many gray do I have? 8. Good job. So we're looking for a number bond that has a part with 8 in it. Do you think it's A, B, or C? So look over here. I agree. Letter B. Oh no, this number bond isn't completed. What's the other part in these linking cubes? 8 and 1. Good job. So we're going to add that right there. All right, let's take a look at this one. How many gray do we have? 3. Good. So is it number bond A? Does it belong to number bond A or number bond C? Good. I see 3 on number C2, on letter C2. So what is the other part that we're missing? 3 and what makes 6? Use your fingers to help you if you need to. 3, and let's count on till we get to 6, or to 9, excuse me. So start at 3, and we're going to stop at 9. Ready? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers did we add to make 9? 6. Great job. And our last one is 5 and 4, and that goes up here to number bond A. Great job, friends. All right, here's our last problem for today. These are 9 cubes, but they are broken into 2 parts. What would the number bond look like for how the cubes are broken? So make sure your picture matches your number bond. Do you want to start with this tower right here? How many do we see here? 2, that's one of our parts. Good job. Make sure you're looking at your number bond direction. And 7. 2 and 7 makes, you got it, our magic number today, 9. Well done. Thanks for joining me, friends.